guys, and welcome to What's Inside. For you, we have this tiny horse and the farmer. Hey, easy.
Toys for you.
So we have movement for the tail and the head. Now, let's see what's inside. Are you curious to see what's inside? I am very curious. So let's start with the head. I think I should remove the rider. This requires a little strength, a little stamina. Victory! And look what we found here. It's another screw. Okay? Now we take the screwdriver and the saddle is ready to be removed. Wow! Look! All the circuits. Let's try and open the horse. What's happening? Look! Do you want to try to open it even more? Okay, come on, let's see. I'm trying to open it, but it doesn't, something is keeping me from opening it. What do you think is keeping the horsey from opening? I think you are right. We should try to look at the wheels. Okay, now we have gently removed the two red dots, and what we see here are another two screws. And now we can remove the wheels, the two lateral wheels, and hopefully this time, yes, amazing. I think the head wasn't even necessary to be opened. Let's turn the horsey on. Now, before explaining this, I thought I would show you what is inside the head. So, inside our horsey head, there are some LEDs. You see the wires that come here for the hair and for the nice bell. And now, let's go to explaining the body and see how it works. And now, let's see what's happening here. See the engine? Here it is, and it is spinning this wheel that in turn spins this one for the wheel beneath, and also spin this wheel that continues with those clever gears. See? It's moving horizontally up to the tail and vertical. It moves the head right over there. It pushes the head back and forth. Look from behind. See? This is very clever. Also see the tail from behind. Guys, this was the horsey. I hope you liked it, and now wish me luck so we can put it back together. So this is our horsey. Apparently it is working. Okay guys, what did we learn from this? Well, first I learned that I have to pay attention because I have an extra screw. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's from me. So, what did we learn? Smart engine, clever gears, steady hands, maybe? Guys, thank you for watching. Remember, you may comment to the community post or where it is possible and tell us what you want to see in the next clips, and we shall do it and you will be named in our clips. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.
Bonus clip.
Hey, listen!
And until next time, see you in... Guys, this was the horsey. See you in the next one.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.